Note that there are over 30,000 fatal crashes in the U.S. alone every year. Because of this, over 92 people each day die because someone may not always be around to help them or to call 911. To solve this problem, I turned towards the microcontroller, a Raspberry Pi, to alert the paramedics when an emergency event happens. I used the GPS module on the Raspberry Pi to send the location, and I used a simple push-button switch to sense when the airbags opened so they could alert the paramedics of the location. I wanted my Python program to work like this. When the crash is detected, the Python script is triggered and the message is sent. Then when the paramedics receive the message, they can come and help the injured patient. I wrote a simple Python program to sense when the button was opened using the RPI GPIO pins. Then I wrote a simple Python program to call 911, or in my case, send an email alert. During a crash event, the vehicle's crash sensors provide the signal to the airbag control unit, which in turn opens the airbag. I used the opening of an airbag to alert the paramedical services. When the airbag expands, it pushes the two leads of my sensor together, which in turn completes the circuit. I used this completion of the circuit to trigger my Python program to alert the authorities. To simulate the airbag pushing up against the sensor, I push my hand up against the sensor and join two contacts. And this will trigger an email request. But for testing purposes, I have put an email for the end result. But in real life, you could also call 911. Then I checked my computer email and I saw that I had the location coordinates and a map of my home address. I hope my invention will be used to save numerous lives in the event of a car crash. Thank you for watching.